how you can access the files from this server. It can be your Windows server, it can be your Linux server. So there are two ways for that. First is obviously the SFTP, and the second way is quite easy that I'm going to show you, which is using the VS Code. So you might say, from using VS Code we can check the current files on my system. How we can check the files from the server? Yes, there is a way. Let me show you. So what you can do is type VS here. In my case, the VS Code is already installed, so that's why it is directly giving me access to the VS Code. Once you get the access to the VS Code, you need to go to the extension section, and here you need to install these two extensions, which is remote SSH. Then there is a remote editing configuration files, and then there is a remote explorer. Okay, these are the three extensions you need to install. In my case, it's already installed, so that's why it is showing nicely. But in your case, if it is not there, you can just type remote right here, remote, and you will get the extensions. By the way, when you install the extension, you need to install which is from the microsoft.com. Okay, do not install anything else. Once you install these extensions, you will get something like this right here, the monitor icon, which is saying remote explorer. Click on that, and once you click on the remote explorer, you need to click on to the SSH part right here and click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, it will give you prompt. Here you need to add SSH, root, at, and your IP address. Here my SSH is connection, the root is my username, and IP address is the IP address of the server. Once I hit the enter button, again I will get a prompt for the configuration. Let me hit enter one more time. And now it will give me small prompt right here. It is saying connect. Okay, let me click on the connect, and it will give me this prompt where it will ask which OS I'm installing on the server side. Sorry, which OS I have on the server side. So I'll select the Linux. In your case, if it is the Windows, then you can select the Windows. Once I type the password right here, which is I'm going to type it right now, it will give me access to the server. Okay, now you will say that, okay, we got access to the server on the VS Code. How I'm going to see the files on this server? So to see the files, what you need to do is you need to click right here in the files and click on the open folder right here. So once you click on the open folder, it will show you remote directories. It's not my local directory, it's remote directory from the my server. So I can just type whatever directory I want to open right here and click on the OK. And once I click on the OK, if I go into the file section right here, sometimes it asks the password one more time. I'm not sure why, but in case it's asked the password, please enter the password. And once you complete that particular process, it will give all the files from the server right here. So in case you want to download those files, you can download really easily. You can just right click on it and it will show the download option right here. Okay, so this is how you can download it. In your case, like if you want to upload something on the server, then what you can do is, let me show you one document. So these are my assets, and let's say I want to upload this new document on the server. I can just drag and drop right here, and it will basically start loader right here. And can you see the new text document txt is already uploaded on the server? Yes. So yeah, this is how you can basically check the files from the server, or upload the files on the server, or download the files from the server. So yeah, if you have any question, please let me know.